Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. NVIDIA recently released a new AI model called as Isaac GR00T N1 in 2 billion parameter size that helps humanoid robots perform different tasks. The name Groot probably comes from Groot, which is a famous Marvel character who can adapt, grow and reshape himself according to the situation. In the same way, it seems that NVIDIA's Groot model can adapt across various robotic tasks and scenarios, making humanoid robots more flexible. Working with humanoid robots has always been tough, as it is difficult to teach these robots many different skills. Usually, each specific task needs its own AI model, trained separately from lots of data, which takes too much time and resources. With Isaac GR00T, NVIDIA aims to change that by giving developers tools such as simulations, synthetic datasets, as you can see here on your screen, which is a collection of datasets from NVIDIA that has been open sourced on Hugging Face. Now, NVIDIA also plans to give some ready-made general AI models such as this one, which is GR00T N1 2 billion, which is already present on Hugging Face, and if you go to its files you will see that the size is just close to 5 gig, which is quite a decent size for this humanoid robotic model. Now, an interesting thing is the way GR00T N1 was built. NVIDIA uses a combination of data from videos of humans interacting with objects from the internet, simulated data they generated digitally, and a bit of real robot information from physical experiments. In my view, this layered approach makes sense because gathering a lot of real world robot data takes a long time and costs a lot. Using simulations and video data helps them save on resources and speeds up AI training. So, this could be a smart move from NVIDIA because creating all training data using physical robots would be very costly and slow. By mixing easily accessible human video clips from the internet with simulation based data and smaller amounts of this real robot data, NVIDIA can really speed up training and make the robots more flexible. Another important part of GR00T N1 is how the system thinks, and you can also check it out from this architectural diagram. So NVIDIA designed it with two sections working together. One part reads images and instructions and decides what to do, and the other carefully guides the robot to actually move and finish tasks. This design, inspired by how people think and act, seems practical and can likely help robots perform tasks more smoothly. But I have mixed feelings about this. Nvidia is already very powerful in graphics cards and AI hardware. It's almost like a monopoly in this area, or should I, a definite monopoly, with very few companies able to compete seriously from a far margin. While the Isaac GR00T N1 model is impressive, it's a bit concerning that Nvidia continues to dominate not just hardware but also software and AI frameworks for robotics. When one company has so much control, innovation from smaller players could suffer in the long run. I would prefer a setup where more companies and researchers introduce different approaches in robotics because that is the need of the hour. Now, going forward, it will be really interesting to see how widely NVIDIA's GR00T N1 model will be adopted. Although the early results look really promising, humanoid robots still face plenty of challenges, particularly mastering tasks across diverse and unpredictable real world environments. It is likely we'll see improvements in newer versions of GR00T soon, potentially making robots more reliable. Still, I am hopeful smaller companies and researchers will also step up with different ideas, making robotics more balanced instead of letting NVIDIA dominate this space completely. Before I let you go, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation and world simulation, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.